Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Gigabyte B450M DS3H motherboard. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So I ended up buying this off of Amazon for approximately $70. I'm making a budget PC case, and this pretty much had everything I wanted on it. It seemed like it was a good buy for the price. So let's go ahead and unbox it and just get a closer look at it. So that was very easy. Opening it up and see what comes with it. It comes with what, 2 SATA cables, I believe. So these will be used to plug into your hard drives. So actually I already have 2 of them. So it looks like one is kind of at a 90-degree angle and the other one is kind of straight. So I'm going to leave these actually in their packaging because I won't be able to use this at all with my PC build. I already have 2 of them just laying around that I'm going to be using. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this out of the box. And maybe I'll even put it on the box here so I don't keep it on the ground. So I believe one of the things I did have to do on the Amazon reviews, there apparently is only one fan pin on the motherboard, just for the fan headers, so I had to go out and buy a fan splitter, so I can actually have 2 fans at the front of my computer. Alright, let's take it out of the packaging and just set it on the box. Alright, so let's go ahead and just slide it out right here and put it down. Perfect. So this is pretty small, actually, as you can see. This is the length of RAM right here, and that is pretty much encompassing the entire motherboard by itself. Then you can see my different PCIe slots. If you're looking to save a little bit of money and build a budget PC, this has everything I was looking for. I am going to be pretty much happy with it for the build I'm doing. So I can see the CPU fan is located right here. So that's where I'm going to be plugging that fan in. And then here is the system fan located right here. So I see the CPU fan and the system fan. I don't see another one on the board. Here's the LED for the CPU. So I think that is one of the bigger downsides of this board. If you're going to be going crazy with fans, there's just not enough connectors for you. I just don't see them on the board. Get a close-up of the board right now and just look around, see what's on here. And I think I'm going to be happy with it. So I just want to give you guys a closer look at this board and just give you an understanding of what's on here. Here's what it looks like on this side here, all the different connection pieces. Also, when you go ahead and open the box and you take out the white covering here, if you're looking for the faceplate, this is where it will be located right here, along with some instructions and a Gigabyte CD for you to go ahead and install on your computer. However, I do not have a CD drive, so this will be useless for me. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.